Video editing can be fun, but let's be real, most of the time it's repetitive, soul-draining, and eats up your whole afternoon. Trimming pauses, hunting for the good bits in 3-hour footage, scheduling posts, and juggling a dozen social accounts. Half of that work doesn't even help your creativity, it just slows you down. Imagine if you could hand all that grunt work to an intelligent assistant that actually gets what makes clips shareable. That's where Vizard comes in. Meet Vizard, an AI editor that's built to turn long-form videos into short, ready-to-post content without the headache. I'm going to show you how Vizard saves hours of busy work with just a few clicks, and why it's different from the usual plugin parade you've probably tried. We'll dig into the features that actually matter. Auto-editing viral clips, auto-schedule, and the content calendar, plus a bunch of helpful extras that let you focus on ideas, not timelines. Ready? Let's jump into the timeline and watch it work. First up, auto-editing viral clips. Picture this. You recorded a live stream, a podcast, or a long interview. Somewhere in that 5-hour mess are 3 golden moments that could go viral, but finding them manually means scrubbing, rewatching, and second-guessing for hours. Vizard's auto-editing feature scans your long video, identifies high-engagement bites, and slices them into snackable clips that are actually built for platforms. Good pacing, solid punchlines, and the sort of energy that hooks people in the first 10 seconds. You don't have to be an editor to make things pop. How it works in practice. Upload your full video, pick the style, fast cuts, conversational, emotional, etc., and let Vizard analyze viewer cues, speech dynamics, reaction moments, scene changes, and topic shifts. It then creates a batch of short clips optimized for different platforms and formats. Vertical for Reels and TikTok, horizontal for YouTube Shorts, and so on. Each clip is ready to fine-tune. If you want to nudge the start time, add a subtle zoom, or change the caption, you can. But most of the time the AI nails it, and you're looking at a queue of post-ready clips in minutes instead of days. For creators who pump out interviews, course recordings, or live stream highlights, this is a total game changer. Now let's talk scheduling, because posting consistently is one of the hardest parts of growing an audience. Auto-schedule is Vizard's answer to that. Instead of exporting clips and manually dropping them into 10 different schedulers, you tell Vizard how often you want to post, like 3 reels a week or daily TikToks, and it handles the rest. It auto-selects clips, formats them to the right specs, and places them in a posting calendar that respects best practice times and your personal preferences. You can approve or tweak the schedule before it publishes, or let it run on autopilot. This is huge for creators who have big archives but no time. Set the cadence, and Vizard will dribble your best moments out over time, building momentum without you having to babysit every post. And because it's content aware, it won't spam the same kind of clip back to back. It diversifies so your feed feels varied and fresh. The content calendar is the other part of the magic. It's where everything comes together. Clips, captions, posting times, and platform destinations, all visible in one place. You can drag and drop clips across dates, batch edit captions, pin priority posts, or preview a week's lineup in seconds. Need to push a clip because of breaking news? Drag it to a new date. Want to see how your week looks across Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok? The calendar lays it out so you can spot gaps or overlaps. For teams, it's a single source of truth. Collaborators can leave notes, suggest edits, and approve posts without cluttered email chains or lost messages. Look, there are other tools out there, expensive suites that do one thing well but leave gaps elsewhere. Some platforms are great at subtitles but clumsy when it comes to creating platform-ready clips. Others are affordable but require a ton of manual exporting and reformatting. Vizard's strength is that it stitches the whole workflow together. Instead of paying separately for a caption service, a clip editor, and a scheduler, you get an integrated pipeline that thinks like a creator. Find the moment, polish it quickly, and publish it smartly. That's not to say Vizard is some miracle box that replaces creativity. It's a turbocharger for the parts of the job that are tedious. You still choose the message, host the ideas, and decide the voice. Vizard just handles the grunt work so you can do more of what you actually enjoy. You can always jump into tweak tone, add branding, or rearrange cuts. The point is it gets you 80% of the way there automatically. Beyond the big 3, Vizard packs a few other features you'll use all the time. Smart captioning that's actually readable and editable. There's also simple auto-syncs that pull high-contrast frames and overlay optimized text and metadata suggestions that help you craft better titles and hashtags. There's also a multi-clip batching feature for repurposing an episode into themed miniseries. Think best advice, funny moments, or audience Q&As without rebuilding each clip from scratch. For podcasters and interview shows, Vizard detects speaker changes and recommends short highlight reels per speaker. For educators and course creators, the AI can break lectures into topic segments, making it easy to create modular lessons or promotional trailers. And if you're trying to make your content more discoverable internationally, Vizard helps surface moments that translate well, those universal humor beats or clear, quotable advice. Let's be honest, plugins that live inside Premiere Pro or other editors are handy if you're already an editor by trade, but they don't solve scheduling or cross-platform publishing. Meanwhile, standalone apps might schedule posts, but they won't intelligently find the best clip from a 90-minute stream. Vizard sits in that sweet spot. It's not trying to be everything for everyone, but it connects the dots from long content to social-ready posts in a way that's designed around how creators actually work. A quick walkthrough. Upload a raw file. Choose a clip style. Let Vizard generate a batch of clips. Review and tweak the ones you love. Then either approve the auto schedule or drop the clips into the content calendar and refine the rollout. That's it. What used to take an editor or a whole day now takes minutes, and it frees you up to keep recording, planning, and interacting with your audience. If you're a creator who's juggling content creation with everything else, life, clients, a day job, Vizard is the kind of tool that quietly makes your workflow 10x smoother. It saves time, reduces the stress of constant posting, and helps you test ideas faster. You don't need to be a pro editor to make content that looks polished and performs well. Curious? Try it out on one of your longer videos and watch how many shareable clips it finds. You'll be surprised how many usable moments you've already got sitting on your hard drive. And if you're comparing options, remember to check for a tool that does the whole loop: find, edit, schedule, and manage, not just one piece. That's where Vizard shines. Alright, that's the tour. If you want a walkthrough of a real case, like turning a 2-hour panel into a month of social posts, say the word and I'll break it down step by step. Drop your questions below, tell me what type of content you make, and I'll give tips on how to get the most out of Vizard for your niche. Subscribe for more deep dives and quick workflow hacks, and go make something awesome without burning your weekend on editing.